Okay. So do you think the role of cakes in celebrations will change in the future?
Yes, definitely. As far as I'm concerned, I think as far as I'm concerned, it will change to some extent. And although cakes like will probably remain a key part in many celebration, I think nowadays people are becoming more health conscious and they want to be healthy, so they may choose low sugar or maybe gluten-free cakes instead of traditional ones. In addition, personalized cakes with unique design could become more popular and could be increasingly popular because they make the situations and occasions feel more meaningful.
Mm.
So yes, while the tradition of having a cape is unlikely to disappear, I think the type of cape people choose will probably shift it over time.
Okay. And what are the different wait, if I have to give you the feedback
Yes,
offhand, I
Ichi.
would say we can also talk the way you described was really great. You talk about health conscious. Yes, people prefer healthier, and also if I were you, I would also add customized cakes. Okay.
Yes, Ichi.
Mm. Okay, but the rest is okay. And what are the differences between special foods in your country and in foreign countries?
Yeah, that is a good question. Personally speaking, the biggest difference would be like in the ingredients and also the cultural significance that we have. In Myanmar, special dishes are usually homemade and they might often include rice, curries, or maybe traditional desserts that are like share among family members during
Mm.
religious or festivals or maybe important occasions. But in stark contrast, in numerous Western countries, or maybe
Mm.
European countries, but people tend to celebrate their occasions related to steak, or maybe
Mm.
such as roast or turkey, or
Mm.
maybe cakes, like depending
Mm.
on the event.
Mm.
And yes, I think this could be the biggest difference compared to each
Mm.
other.
Yes, the answer is great. If I had to point out one thing, I would say like most of the Myanmar dishes are
Yes,
rice-based delicacies, right? The dishes, not only the curries, but also some desserts, are mostly rice-based delicacies, whereas the Westerners mostly consume flavor-based things. And in Myanmar, we have different flavors according to diverse ethnicities. Even for Mohinga, Yangon Mohinga and Taung Mohinga will not be the same. So we can also talk about that. Hmm. Well, and why do some people spend a lot on meals on special day?
well, I think there are several underlying factors in the questions. First of all, if I had to pinpoint one reason for that, special occasions such as like weddings, birthdays, or anniversary, and like don't happen very often. So people want to make them memorable and unforgettable. And I do believe that spending more on food is like one way of showing our affection, such as our love, our appreciation, and even our gratefulness towards like our family and guests. Secondly, in some cultures, high quality food is like also often considered as a symbol of social status, and I think it is reflecting our society as well. However, I don't think an extravagant meal is always necessary because, like, what people usually remember is like the time they spent together rather than the price of the food.
Yes. I like the way you mentioned show affection and gratefulness. Yes.
Gratefulness, yes.
And to impress guests, maybe, because some
To
people
impress
would like
guests.
to show off how affluent they are, or maybe they would like to mark the important milestones and moments, such as anniversaries, or maybe they would like to have lasting memories, right?
Yeah, lasting
Or maybe a symbol of status to reflect their status.
memories.
Mm. Okay, great. Thank you.
Yes, CJ.